Today we're in BeamNG Drive with MK's Dynamic Weather. And yeah, so basically what we're going to be doing is trying to outrun... Well, that. And, oh jeez. That, and, yeah, so, and the police too, so. We're gonna go all the way around here. So, we gotta get to the top of the mountain. That's, I know the way, but these guys are turning into me, I swear. There's no rain in here. It does make the road a little bit slippery on the outside. When we get there, this is a long drive. Are we coming up on the turnaround? Why is it foggy in here, by the way? Okay, there's a turn. Wait, I should probably take it. Yeah, I knew it. Woo! Yeah, go. Yeah. Why are there flashing lights behind me? Well, there were. Are we almost out? I heard a crash. I hear police too. Oh, found them. Damage my steering. I might have done that. Okay, finally. Oh, look, there's a tornado. Oh, look how slippery the road is. It's really hard to see, even with the headlights on. Like, okay, I don't want to spin out here, but yeah, my steering's broken. See ya, copper! Oh no! It's fine. Reverse. Reverse. Okay, never mind. Oh, come on. It's fine. Where's the tornado? Okay, it's all the way over there, so. Move! Oh. Dang it. Okay, I think my reverse is actually broken. I can't reverse. That's not good. Uh-oh. Reverse. Okay, never mind. It's not broken. Go away! Okay. Probably should have picked a better car for off-roading. Okay, the tornado getting closer. I think it is. Okay, dang it, I lost a headlight. That's fine. We're not even, like, close. Okay, come on. Oh, I didn't think I went on this road. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Floor it, floor it, floor it. Okay, we made it up the hill. Uh-oh, we're kind of heading towards the tornado here. I'm not sure how fast the tornado can go. Not really sure what it's doing either. Okay, so we should be coming up on... Okay, here we go. Turn. Turn. Okay, here we go. Hey, I evaded the police. I mean, you can tell how slippery it is. This thing can't get traction. After a while it does, but... Well, how does this, can I get out of here and still drive? Oh no. Oh no, I'm stuck. Like, oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, it's broken. Well, let's get a new vehicle. I have the same escape point, just, okay, hopefully it doesn't, no, I still have no idea what it's doing. Wait, is it coming this way? is. Oh, it's right there. I'm surprised it's not stronger than that. Ooh, I do not like driving on the highway with this fog. Yum, yum. Okay, just gonna pass you ahead. To be honest, the tornado is like really easy to evade. It's not very fast at all. Could probably speed it up. Oh, okay. Just gonna turn around here. I mean, the tornado is really scary to look at, but ooh. It obviously can suck you in from the first part. But okay. Floor it. Oh! Ah, that was gonna be a cool save too. Dang it. Well, I mean, I did save it. It still drives. And wasn't so bad, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. Dang it, I lost the headlight. Same spot too. Well, actually, I'm just noticing it. Oh, hey there. Just gonna go over here. Bye bye. Oh, what's at that rock? I love this car. Oh no. Oh no. No. Okay. Where's the tornado? Where'd it go? Wait. That's the tornado alert for a tornado spawning in. Where is it though? Oh, it's right there. Wait. Okay. Hold on. Oh. Dude, he's blocking the path. I have to. It's going this way. Okay, we'll find another way. Oh, it's taking the police car. Okay, well, good thing we got out of there just in time, I guess. Let's I don't know if I know another way around or not. There's a car up here. Yeah, just gonna slam into that guy. Fast. Oh jeez. No traction at all. Okay. Just gonna go through here. Oh, yep, just gonna snatch that guy's bumper. Oh, well, it's gone now. Let's try, I think I can go up here. Oh wait, we're not where I thought I was. It's fine. Just the front bumper still drives. Okay, now we're where I thought I was. Oh, I should probably stop drifting. You know what? The tornado might not be in the same spot, so I just kind of just. Oh, he's not dead, is he? Okay, we're good. I'm just gonna turn around. Oh, I think it gets worse too. Yeah, I think there's a little bit more fog. I do like how you can see the tornado through the fog. I think the tornado probably has. It's okay. Why can I hear the engine better now? Oh, probably because. Oh, okay. Back up. Oh no, I think it's dead. Okay, well, let's get a new vehicle. Well, we can do a bit of off-roading with this one. Wait, there's the tornado. Whoop. This way I could do a little bit more. Why did you do that? More off-roading. I mean, I'm probably just gonna take the same path, but I feel like these cars are a little bit stronger than the others. Oh, this car's. pulled right in front of me. That's what he did. Oh no! Come on, flip over. It's fine. It's a 4-wheel drive, right? No, it's fine. It's gonna. Oh, no, just gonna. Yeah. Flip. Yeah. There we go. Okay. I kind of want to find this guy and run him off the road. Oh, I took out one of my headlights. Definitely gonna find this guy. Probably in the tunnel by now, but. Okay. Oh! I think it's much slippier now. It's not a word. Oh. Go away! Not like they can catch up to me anyway, but. Okay. No! Dang it. To be honest, it's more of just trying to drive and less of. Okay, it's still driving a little bit. Oh, no, that was my only drive system, wasn't it? Ugh, I hate when that happens. Well, we're dead. New vehicle, I guess. Put this here. Actually, yeah, let's keep going. It's actually getting more sunny outside. And that tornado is getting bigger, I think. That's great. Just gonna. No! You kidding me? I hate police. It's fine. See ya. Good thing we got an off-road car. Oh, well, so do they, I guess. Whatever. Oh. Just kind of sway back and forth here. There we go. Ah! We're stuck on the bridge. Oh, go. Go! It's not the fastest off-road car, but still an off-road car. Come on. There we go. Got it up here. Uh-oh. Oh wait, well, so does the tornado. How close is it? I don't know what the radius is to get sucked in, and I don't want to. I only passed him anyway. Just gonna slide over here. Oh. I think that police officer's stuck. Wait, we might make it. Okay. Oh. Is there a way around? No. Might just have to find one. That tornado's coming. I don't have time. Well, I could try and push through actually. Just don't damage my tires. The tornado's getting closer. Move, car. I just made it worse. No, move. What? Oh, I probably should have kept moving that. It's fine, let me go now. I'm going. Stop honking at me. We're almost there. Ah. It's fine. Just back it up. I'm not really fast enough to do a complete turnaround there, but Uh, okay. Cut here. Oh, come on. There we go. And we made it. Oh, not yet. No, almost though. It's right here. Come on. Yes, I made it. So fling ourselves off the cliff here. Oh. Hey, it still drives. Surprisingly. Wait, where's the tornado? Another one spawning. Oh, it's right there. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can't. Oh, let's see if I can't like make the tornadoes faster here. Okay, well I have this car. Also, why is it nice and daytime outside now? It's just raining. The tornado is supposedly faster. Is it still slippery? No, not really. It's kind of clearing out. I mean, there's a tornado behind us, but it's fine. Sup, coppers? Actually, I don't think there were any police. It's just, okay, the tornado was really, really slow. Ooh. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Again! Oh no! It's fine. It's not fine. Oh, oh, wait. We might recover. We can. Oh, it's fine. Just floor it. Okay. Yeah. Oh my. Oh. It's fine. Yeah. Okay. Well, now floor it. Uh oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at the cars get flown. That is funny. See ya. Oh, I was about to say, what kind of car is that? But hey. Hello again. Just gonna pass by you here. Also gonna turn on my headlights for no reason. I just took out my mirror, didn't I? Dang. No, it's not like they work anyway. I think it didn't sell like a mod or something for that. Okay, I saved it. I saved it. Okay. You can make it. Tornado's slow. I don't know why, but slide through here. Oh, can't see the tornado now. Like, to be honest, I should probably just stop looking at the tornado. It's not like it's gonna catch up to us anyway. Just floor it. Oh, I was gonna take out my door on that guy. Can I do that? You know, my door's just gonna shut. See you later. Oh. Ah, oh, dang it! You messed up my drift. No. Okay, this is the back. We're good. Just floor it. I think my engine's smoking a little bit. It's fine. Just keep going. Okay, we're good. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. We're doing it, we're doing it. We can make it. Yeah, you wanna honk at me? I'll take the honks. How is this car still going? And turn here. Okay. We're doing good. As soon as I said that, I'm probably gonna hit a car. Probably shouldn't go fast because brakes don't. Oh, never mind. Oh jeez, I gotta pass all these guys. I really gotta drive better. I think that messed up my steering. It's fine. I mean, we made it twice either way, so. I mean, I might drive off the cliff, so I'm not gonna say anything now, but. Oh. Yeah, the tornado's really, like, not very fast at all. Go. Oh, hey, look, it's me, just not as damaged. Oh, never mind, it's got that white line down there. I don't. It's a fancier one. Oh, come on. I did it. You're gonna pull it in front of me. It's fine. Oh, this thing does not want to drive. Hey! We did it. It's dead, I think. Oh yeah, it's heated up all the way. It's fine, we'll just... Oh, yeah. Well, we made it just in time before that happened, so for fun, let's throw ourselves into the tornado, which is all the way over there. Okay, so I guess it did move. Oh, tornado! Oh, it's all the way in the middle. Just... Oh, perfect. It's on the road, so I can just kind of fling myself into it. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that van. Oh my goodness. It's flinging cars here. It didn't fling me. Oh, never mind, it's trying. Oh, you can hear the wind. Uh-oh. I can't turn out of this. Wait, maybe I can't. Nope. Floor it. Oh, yeah. Oh. That's a rock. It's fine. Let's go off-road. Closer to the tornado. Let's go, like, legitimate inside the tornado. Oh, there's more cars flying. Our tornado! I just went through it. Why won't it fling me? I just went through it. Where's it flinging cars at? Okay, well now it's not flinging cars at all. Oh, up there? Okay. Okay, we're about to get flung. Oh my goodness. Now it's not flinging me. Oh, well, I got hit by a bumper. Ed. Fling me. Oh! Oh! Finally, Jake. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh my gosh, the AI just... Wait. I was about to say we might recover. Bye guys.